Hey, this is Rachel Mazza, and I just wanted to make a quick video explaining what's involved in the Advertorial Presale 101 training course. I've had some questions about how the course is structured and what we're covering in the different modules. So I just wanted to make this quick video and we can run through the modules and go through what's involved. So let's take a look. This Advertorial 101 course will walk you through the process of researching, designing, and creating a pre-sale landing page, often called an advertorial. These pages are used to warm up cold traffic and skeptical audiences. They also help marketers cast a wider net when targeting new or specific audiences, get around advertising compliance issues, and lower their traffic costs when running cold traffic. They're also a perfect place for new copywriters to start since they're much more approachable and easier to sell to clients than a huge sales letter or massive sales page. Over 7 days, you'll receive 7 lessons via email where you'll learn the fundamentals of what makes up a great advertorial. At the end of this course, you'll be able to design an effective advertorial campaign for your business or your clients. Each day, you'll receive a lesson in your email inbox, which also includes a 5 to 10 minute video lesson. At the end of your video lesson, you'll get a homework assignment each day to help you implement what you've learned. By the end of 7 days, you'll not only know how to speak like an advertorial expert, but you'll also understand how to research, design, and write an advertorial for your specific niche. Here's what we cover in the 7 modules. In Module 1, we'll cover the basics about what these pre-sale pages actually are and how they fit into the larger sales funnel. In Module 2, we'll break down the different pieces that make up an effective advertorial. In this module, we'll take a big picture look at what makes up a great sales message and then break that down so you can incorporate the different elements of a sales letter into your advertorial. Then in Module 3, we'll start diving into the 5-step system that I use to design an effective advertorial. In this lesson, we'll cover the first step, which is how to decide what message will work well for your particular audience. This is an important lesson because we'll also dive deeper into the purpose of an advertorial, getting clear on what an advertorial does and also what it does not do. In Module 4, we'll learn how to research for our advertorial. This involves first finding out what's already working well in your niche, so we'll cover some research methods and tools to help you do that. In Module 5, we'll start getting into the meaty stuff. Here we'll go through different formats and structures for effective advertorials, as well as how to choose the best format for your offer and your business. In Module 6, we'll cover a critical step because in this lesson, we'll learn how to choose the best topic for your advertorial. We'll learn how to choose the right hook or theme that will resonate best with your particular audience. And in Module 7, after we've learned how to design an effective advertorial, we'll put it all together. In this module, you'll learn how to write an effective advertorial that works well for your particular audience, including how and where to work in your call to action statements. This way, we get your readers to take action and move to the next part of your funnel. We'll cover all of this piece by piece over 7 days, and you'll get a homework assignment each day to help you go through it smoothly and easily. And along the way, you'll have direct email access to me so that you can ask for help or ask questions at any time. And as an added extra thank you gift, we've got some pretty cool bonuses at the end of the course that are only available for this round of members. And you'll find out more about those as you go through the modules. This is the first version of the course, and I'm offering it at a huge discount for beta testers if you're willing to share your thoughts about the course with me. But the cool thing is, anyone who gets in early will get free access to all future versions of the course. So this is your one and only chance to get in at this price and then still get access to all the beefed up versions coming out this year. I know you're going to love this course, so much so that I offer a money-back guarantee, which you can see right on the checkout page. If you'd like to get started, then when you're ready, hit that big button at the bottom of this page to learn more. And if you still have questions or aren't sure if this is a good fit for you, then just send me an email and I'll be glad to help. Otherwise, head back to the page where you're watching this video and you can get access to the course right there. See you on the inside.